Hello, welcome back. I'll show you how you can remove complicated backgrounds in Photoshop. What I mean by saying this is that we're going to remove the backgrounds, which is located inside some sides which are complicated from this tree with flowers. So all we have to do now is to double click on the background once you've dragged your picture into Photoshop, and then click on OK, and then click on channels, and then select the blue channel, drag it into here so that we have the duplication. Afterwards, you head over to image adjustments levels. We want to make sure that there is enough black area so that it cuts the white background, just like this. Alright, you can also do some tricks with the midpoints as well, so that we can only cut the white part of this image. Click on OK, and then hold the Control key on your keyboard, click on the blue copy, just like this, and then select all of the remaining layers except for the blue copy, and then go to layers and then delete it. Double click on the image and then delete it. You're done. You can now put solid of any color, for example green. Alright, that's how you can remove complicated background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.